Going on, family? As you see, I'm standing inside of container conversion right now. I got my generator running and my lights are on. So I wanted to step in here some because in here I actually have the dimmers. So we're gonna let you check them out. See them? And I got dimmers on them so that way, you know, we can like chill. I like this, pretty dope. So everything working, man. We made sure everything working. We touched up the paint that we had to do on the door, around the window. You know, we doing the touch-up paint, anything that we might hit, you know. I got a little extra paint, so I got, you know, I'm able to fix what need to be fixed or touch up, you know, once we move it or whatever. But we pretty much got it done, family. I wanted to give you, today is the day that we sum it up, and we'll be waiting on it to get transferred to the location. So that way we can start getting the HogOn, which in the next week or so, we'll be transferring it to the location. So that way we can start. Like I said, we still got to touch up paint and stuff. So once we get located, we get everything situated, put our awning back on. And we actually got one more awning, which goes on the rear door. And everything works, man. Everything lined out. My power, as you know, because you see lighting. We got it lined out, everything professional. We got 220 and we got 3 110s, 3 120s. So everything is good, man. My guys actually summing some things up. And we're about to get ready to get our HogOn soon, man. So I'm excited. Like I said, I'm gonna put this light off. We're gonna step outside for a second. So I appreciate everybody, man, who helped us get things off the ground. The next stage is to get it relocated and start adding the rest of the little furniture, office furniture in there to get everything set up. But as far as the conversion, today we summed it up. And like I said, I just appreciate everybody that was a part of it, everybody that participated, man. I can't wait to get it to the next stage. So hopefully within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we'll have it at the location. I just got to wait for a time because they're behind on their transport. So once I get a person able to transport it, we'll be having it up and going. And the only thing I have to left actually to do is put my wood on the top, which that's easy. And I'm gonna do that once we get it to where we're going. But just wanted y'all to know, man, hey man, I'm proud of the hard work we've accomplished. And we're about to be up and going soon, man. And it's a blessing, like no lie. Like, so I'm happy. And I appreciate my guy Jesse. He's been out here helping me get my HogOn. We got to most definitely say what's up to Jess before we get up out of here. Jess, oh shoot. Y'all still here with me? All right, bet. My guy Jesse, man, he did his thing. He helped me out. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have did it, man. So hey, when you need, when you see us doing the work up here in the OKC, this gonna be the guy, man, to help me do it, man. So you're gonna be seeing us get to the bag. So keep that in mind. We gonna get to it. So y'all be blessed out there, man. HogOn.